Okay, so now let's proceed to our um, file services. So inside file services, you should add roles, and you must check file services, and you must install it and add it as your role. So inside your local disk, so mine is my chosen local disk is C, and inside of that you should create these folders. So public folder, bb.net folder, C programs, your last name and then your section, photo male and photo female. So upon creating those folder, you should open administrative tools, and you should go to file service resource manager. So upon that, you should open file groups. So inside these file groups, you should assign files to be included in your folder. So for example, in public, we have assigned or included files such as .ccp, .docs, .gf, or .jpeg, and for the bb.net we have .tor and .zip. So for the further folders, like the remaining folders, we've added in C programs, we have .c and .cpp for assigned files to include in your last name and section. We have .c, .cc, .cpp, .docs, .dwg, .pdf, .ppt, and for the photo male and female, we've added .gif, .jpeg, and .png. So this one is not chosen by me; it was part of the requirements. So these um, uh, files that should be included inside my folder is required by my proctor. So after that, you should create screen template. So upon creating a screen template, you should make sure that your um, 5 folders is present on that. So you should create 5 screen templates for your folders. And upon adding that, you should go to file service role. So under service role, you should go to provision share, which will allow you to share your files. So you should create file provision for each folders that you've created. So I have provided here one example. So I think this is for public. So we should go to publish. We should go to select location on the disk. Then we should now configure our public. So we have NTFS permission. So we should select no, and under share protocols, you should make sure that you've clicked SMB and you click NFS. So upon adding that, you should be able to see your domain name and the folder that you've created. So after that, you should go to SMB permissions, and you should click your administrations have full control. Then you should go to quota policy, and the quota policy is depend on the required size. So for example, we have 100 MB required or 1 gigabytes required. You should be able to edit it here. So you should make sure that you check apply quota, and you could choose the limit or MB required or the size required for this folder. So okay, so upon adding quota policy, you should now be able to see that your configured public folder is now completed. So for example, if you go to your local disk and then open your folder that you've created, you should be able to see this, or the icon will change into something like this compared to the normal folder. So you have this green back and forth sign and the share type, which is the icon of the users. So you should repeat all these steps in the configurations for the rest of the folder. So for the C programs, bb.net, your last name and your section, and for the photo male and female. So if you've completed that, then you should be able to see that the public folder, the bb.net folder, the C programs folder should be able to have this change in icon in the folder. So that's all for the file sharing, since I'm only required to configure the files that should be included in the folders. So that's all. Thank you.